Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later, and your Toyota's infotainment has the latest update. Once done, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the phone, plug a certified Lightning cable into the USB port labeled with a smartphone icon for wired CarPlay. Make sure the iPhone is unlocked so prompts appear. You do this first to let the head unit detect the device immediately, which prevents pairing delays and avoids wasting time cycling menus. Now focus on pairing. On the Toyota screen, open Bluetooth settings and select your iPhone's name. You will see a numeric code. Confirm that same code on the phone and the head unit so both devices trust each other. After pairing, navigate to the infotainment smartphone or Apple CarPlay menu and pick CarPlay as the source. If it doesn't auto-launch, manually select CarPlay. This step ensures the system maps audio and controls correctly, so you can use Siri, Maps, and apps. Finish by testing core functions. Ask Siri a command, start navigation, make a call, and play audio to confirm buttons and steering controls work. If something goes wrong, first reboot the iPhone and the Toyota's infotainment system to clear temporary glitches. Make sure to switch cables and ports next. A worn Lightning cable or a non-data USB port is a common cause. If you still see problems, update firmware and iOS again. Then repeat pairing, so settings refresh and connections re-establish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.